Hello student, I am Sunil Mane, faculty for the information technology. Today we have to see the first topic, advanced web designing, and in this topic we learn the selector. Last lecture we have to study the CSS and what are the types of CSS, that is the internal, external and inline. Okay, today we learn the selector. Okay, what is selector and what are the types of the selector? Basically there are 4 types are mentioned in our book, that is the ID, class, universal and grouping. Okay, for the purpose of applying the different types of styles, we have used the style sheets, that is the cascading style sheets, and in that cascading style sheet the different selectors are used. That is, the first selector is ID. Then how to apply the ID and what is the purpose of ID selector? Student, we apply the ID for to use the specific text, and that text, the text which is the enclosed in the particular tag. Okay, for example the P tag, H tag, there are different tags, P tag, I tag, and in that tag we applied here P close XYZ, and that text is used to apply different styles. For example, changing the font, color, style, different styles are applied on that text, particular text or particular line. Okay, then for that purpose we take a program, then you understand easily. For example, the text is any text. For example, HM College Karan, and that text R, we make the background color is pink, background color is pink, and text color is suppose red, text color. Okay, this text are displayed in that format, that is the background color is pink, background color of that text is pink, and the text color is red. For that purpose, what we have to do here, first understand here the program, then how to write the program for the ID. Here we have to know the format of the HTML program, HTML head, title, okay, and in the head tag we have to use here style tag. Okay, in the head tag we have to write the style tag. The style tag, then we write here hash symbol. First keep in your mind style tag, second hash symbol. Hash symbol, then curly bracket. That is the syntax of the CSS. What is the syntax? Syntax of the CSS is the selector name here, selector, okay, selector, and property and values, which are separated by colon. Then property and values which are separated by colon and with semicolon. Okay. Then what are the properties? We have to make the change in the text. Background color is pink. And text color is red. Okay. What is the purpose of ID? ID is used to applying on the particular text only. Okay. Then first we have to use the text color. Then only write here the color. The property name is color, and which is separated by colon, red. Value is red and end with semicolon. That is the first property and value. Then second is background color. BACK, background color is pink. Okay, end with semicolon. Okay, and close curly brackets. See here, what we have to do in head tag, we have to write style tag, and in the style tag we use here first one, the symbol is hash symbol. Symbol is the hash symbol, and after that symbol, the name of the ID, for example ABC, okay, and here enclose here style tag, title tag, and head tag. Okay, see here style tag. Okay, then next after that, well known body tag. Any tag, we have to use here any tag. For example, H1 tag. Here is, we have to study ID. Therefore, here write the ID is equal to ID name. What is the name of the ID? ABC, which is written in double quotation mark. Okay. Then tag close. Right here, the HM polish kara. Okay. Here H1 close. Okay. Then here write a simple text here. HM polish karad also. And close here body tag. Okay. See here, start to end. To write ID selector, which point we have to remember? First one, use style tag within head tag. within head tag. Okay. Use style tag within head tag. Second, use hash symbol. It is called as a hash. Hash symbol. Before ID name. Okay. Second point. Then third point is in body tag. In body tag, write the name of the ID after the any tag. ओके, कुठलाही टॅग नंतर ते यूज करणार आहे. ओके, नेक्स्ट दीज आर द 3 पॉइंट्स. फर्स्ट वन, use style tag within head tag, then use hash symbol before ID name, and third is in body tag write name of the ID after the any tag. Okay, that is the ID. Here program in head tag style in style tag hash symbol, right here hash symbol first, then name of the ID, and in curly bracket property and value, that is the property 1, value 1, property 2, value 2. Okay, then after property 3, value 3. Okay, style tag close, title close, head close, then body. This style is applied on particular text. Here write any tag, name of the tag, and after that tag name, ID and name of the ID, which is enclosed in double quotation mark. That is the ID. ID is used to apply on single text. Okay, that is the first selector. Okay, then second is class selector. Okay, class. Then how to use the class selectors? Same as ID selector, class selector is used. Okay, then for that purpose we have to write the program for the class selector. Here program or output of the class selector. Okay, here is welcome word. Welcome, and this text is background color red, text color is green. Okay, here is our output. Second program, HTML head, title, then style tag. Okay, in that style tag we have to write here the period symbol, style tag, style, period symbol, and after that period symbol the name of the class, for example PQR, that is the name of the class, PQR, then curly bracket, properties and values, that is the text color, which is right here only color green, separated by colon, end with semicolon. Then second property is background color, separated by the colon. Name of the background color is red here and end with semicolon and close here curly bracket. Okay, style tag close, here title close, head close. Okay, then body tag, same as ID. In body we have to take name of the tag, for example here I tag or P tag. After that name here is class is equal to name of the class is PQR. Here it is the name of the class PQR. Okay, and the text is welcome and close here P tag, body tag close, HTML close. Okay, see here what is the difference in the class and ID. Class is started with the symbol period or dot. Class is started with period or dot. Okay, and ID is started with hash symbol. That is the main difference. Okay, that is the class. Then another one is the universal. Universals means all. Universal means all. That is the second program. And third is the universal. Universal. Okay. Universal means all. See, a student, class and ID are used only for particular instead of particular text, but we have to apply on whole program or whole body, then we have to use here the universal or grouped or grouping. Universal means all. Okay. Then what is the program for the universal? Here universal for that purpose we have to use wildcard, that is the star symbol for the program. Here the program is HTML head, for the program, any program we have learned here HTML 5.0, then right here doc type, always start with doc type, head, style, title, style, then right here wildcard, that is the symbol, star symbol. It's called as the wildcard or star symbol, star. Okay, then open curly bracket, and then properties and values, that is, for example, output is welcome. For that welcome text, font size is 20 pixel and font color is green. Okay, font color is green. Then color, font color, for that purpose we have to write here first property color is green, which is separated by colon and with semicolon, and then font size is second property separated by colon and end with, the value is 20 pixel, that is 20 px. Px stands for pixel and with semicolon. Okay. Then style, close, title close, head close, then body tag. Okay, body tag. ठीक है, बॉडी टैग वेलकम, टेक्स्ट इज वेलकम, बॉडी क्लोज, HTML क्लोज. Here is p tag, here p tag, and there another text is, suppose welcome GM College, Karad, IT, Okay. For that purpose, we have to write here P tag for the welcome, H2 tag for the second text, example is Karan. Close. Then I tag for 12th IT. I close. Body close. HTML close. Okay. See here, in this program, we have to tag the 3 texts on the whole web page. Okay. First text we have to apply here P tag. Second text is in H2 tag and third text is in I tag. Okay. Then the output of these 3 texts is, the first text is written in simply P tag welcome. And applying the style is that the font size is 20 pixel and the font color is the green. Okay. Then also the second text is in the H2 tag. Then heading style tag H2. Then this text is in H2. This is in P tag. This is in I tag. This H2 style is applied on this text and making the text color is green and the font size is 20, but which is displayed in H2 tag, heading style tag 2. The third statement is the 12th IT, which is in italic, that is this text is as in italic style. Okay, but this text color is the green and font size is 20 pixel. Okay, that is the universal or whole or all selector. Okay, last one is the grouping. Fourth is grouping. Grouping. Okay. Grouping selector. Grouping means here the making the groups of the tag and which is separated by the commas. And syntax of the grouping is here the grouping selector. H1 syntax is H1 comma H2 and P. See here, I take here 3 tags in a group, and then after properties and values, the color red, property first, value first, then text color, background color, background color pink and semicolon. Okay. This style is applied on three tags here, H1, H2 and P. Whenever these tags are displayed in the body tag, this style is applied automatically, and that is called as a grouping. That is called as a grouping. For example, program here is HTML head style title here style. For that grouping, right here H1, H2, P tag, and color is, that is the text color is red, and background color is pink. Okay, style close, title close, head close. Then after body tag, in body tag, suppose I am right here in H1 tag, welcome, H1 close, H2 tag, HGM college or only HGM, H2. Then P tag, HGM Karad, P tag close, body close, HTML close. Okay. Here for the H1 tag welcome, this tag is also make the style, text color is red and background color is pink. Why it is? Because the style for the H1 tag is color, background, text color is red and background color is pink. Okay. Then for the H2 tag, it is also text color is red and background color is pink. And then third one in P tag HGM Karad, that is also text color is red and background color is pink. But simply we have to write here the simple word, that is the, I have to make change in here, 12th IT. After that body close and HTML close. See here the text 12th IT. This text is simple text because the style is not applied on that text here. Okay. Simply the style is applied on the H1 tag, H2 tag and P tag, and these three tags are in a group. Therefore it is called as a grouping. That is, in this lecture we have to study 4 selector, that is the ID, class, universal and grouping. ID and selector are same. ID and selector are same. ID is start with hash symbol and then ID name. Class is started with period or dot symbol then class name, then universal started with wildcard, which is also known as star symbol. Universal means all whole page. Here we have to use for the applying style. Then last one, the grouping means the grouping of the different tag. Okay, this lecture we have to study only selector. Next lecture we have to use the positioning using CSS. Okay, thank you.